Hello, my name is Sonia, and today I'm going to present to you about gastrulation and the foundation of embryonic development, and we're going to go deep into primary germ layers. So let's get started. Towards the end of this presentation, we should be able to know what is gastrulation, the formation and transformation of blastopore and bottle cells, and we're going to go deep into the primary germ layers, which is known as ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. So what exactly is gastrulation? Gastrulation occurs shortly after fertilization. This occurs by transforming a simple single layer known as blastula. You can see the blastula here, and this will be transformed into complex 3 layers, which is known as gastrula. So as I mentioned earlier, bottle cells in gastrulation is here. You can see that here. I'm just going to highlight it. So the bottle cells, these ones, they move inward and form blastopore. They form blastopores, and then these blastopores turn into 3 layers. And those 3 layers are the one we're going to go in depth into in our next slide. So the formation of primary germ layers mentioned in our earlier slide, which are known as the ectoderm, which forms the outermost layer. You can see that in blue. The mesoderm, which forms the middle layer, it's in red on the slide. And the endoderm, which forms the innermost layer, which is in yellow. So let's look at the derivatives of the primary germ layers. The ectoderm in green, here is a drawing in green, and you can see that the ectoderm, which forms the skin, the nails, and the nervous system for some reason. And the mesoderm, which is the middle layer, it forms our muscles. You can see the muscles, the bones, the circulatory system, and many of our internal organs. You can see in purple, we have the kidney, the liver, the pancreas, and so on. And lastly, we have the endoderm, which is the innermost layer, and it forms the lining of our digestive system, respiratory system, and associated glands. You can see the esophagus, and so on. So gastrulation is the foundational process in embryonic development. Understanding how the primary germ layers form and what they can become, we gain a crucial insight into the human development as a whole and our health. These are references, so if you want to read and understand further, please feel free to use them. And thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to leave a message in the chat box. Thank you very much.